Way out here they got a name for wind and rain and fire. The rain is Tess, the fire is Joe, and they call the wind Mariah. Mariah blows the stars around and sends the clouds a-flying. Mariah makes the mountains sound like folks were up there dying. Mariah.
It's November 19th and we just had our first cold snap of this year. What I'm going to do today is put on a mouse guard to keep the mice from getting here in the wintertime and eating the honey and killing the larvae and bees. It's pretty simple. I'm going to put on a staple mesh wire across the front here where the mice can't get in or chew their way in. Pretty cold, probably don't need much smoke because it's kind of sluggish anyway, but and a little bit calm. This is a wire mesh where the bees can still get through it. It hopefully keep the mice out. I'm going to trim it down a little bit so it fits better, and then I'm going to use staples to staple it. That's all there is to it.
They call the wind Mariah, but here they